Okay, we have our one of our techs just removing the casing. Before we start to remove the window, we got to take the casing off. So I really like how, gentle he's being with the casing and just taking little pieces out at a time, not just trying to rip it all off like Hercules and damage the drywall surrounding the window. Sometimes that does happen, just depending on the frame of the window and how it was installed before. So if there is any drywall that does get damaged, these guys are sure to make sure they patch it and repair it, so it's not going to cause any issues down the road. So this casing is fairly well nailed in, so it needs a little bit more persuasion.